Oops, yung kamay niya, nasabit. Yep. There you go. So, ayan. Parang nalusaw yung cover ni Barbie. Wow! So, ito po yung ating i-open na toy is the Barbie Color Reveal na meron siyang 7 collectible Barbies, different kinds or different look ng mga Barbies. And inside this toy, meron siyang skirt, hair, shoes, and makeup or blush on plus lipstick. And the sponge as well, plus the Barbie itself. So let's open it now. Kanina pa excited to it.
Time to open it.
Okay, open it. Wow, the next is.
Open it. Open it.
Okay, so let's do that. I'm excited. How do you have them? So you do want to open them first? No, we open them first. I'll show you different, okay? One bottle. How many plastics did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you have 5 plus the Barbie. Oh, ano naman. Okay.
Let's open it. The first bag.
Okay, kunin mo na.
Bag.
Okay, get it. What do you think is that? Lagay mo sa table, okay? Bilisan mo naman. Open. What's that? Show it to your friend. What did you get?
A shoe.
Wow! Sandals! Beautiful sandals. Wow. Wait lang. So, ayan po yung sandals ng kanyang doll. Wow! Beautiful. Okay. Next is...
That.
Okay, open it now. What do you think is that? Sandals. Yeah. What will be the food? Ang arte mo magbukas. Bilisan mo. Talaga. Sinisilip. Show it to your friends, anak. They can see it.
Okay.
So that they can see it. What's that?
A white.
A wipe. That's a sponge. Okay. So this is the sponge that we got. And we're gonna use it later to wipe the Barbie to see her makeup and lipstick. So let's put it here. Yep. And the next one is... Yep. What's that? What's that? What? This is not a panty. This is a skirt. Yep. This is the Barbie skirt. Panty daw. Yep. Okay. So, ano dito, sir? Let's see. Ano ba siya dito? Parang wala siya dito. Kuha niya. Oh my gosh. You're lucky. Oh, yes. Alam ko na. What's that? A Barbie hair. Wow. So, ito yung magiging hair ng... Ito yung magiging hair ng ating Barbie. Wow. Yep. Yay! So, ganito po yung magiging itsura niya habang hindi pa siya nalulubog sa warm water. But later on, we're gonna see kung ano yung itsura niya and kung ano yung skin color niya. Tapos merong black, merong white, ayun, meron kayong manggi. Tingnan natin kung anong lahi. Yep.
You need to have water inside, and then you need to ask your mommy and daddy.
Oh, wow. Very good. So, we're gonna put warm water in this bottle. Then we're gonna put Barbie inside here to reveal her color. So, I'm gonna get a water now. So what are you gonna do now? You have to...
Put the water
Yep.
into my Barbie.
And then?
And then you need to put inside and here.
Yep. Okay. Oops, ako yan. Nasabi. Yep. There you go. So, ayan ako. Mga kailangan pa natin cover. Hindi siya masyadong puno. Yung ulo niya na yun.
It's done.
Not yet. So, ayan. Parang nalusaw yung cover ni Barbie. Nilagyan ko siya ulit ng water. Tumakbo ako doon. Kasi hindi abot yung sa ulo. Baka mahuli yung ulo. So, ayan. Nakikita na natin yung hands niya. Natanggal na yung color. Yep. Dapat pala punong-puno siya. How do you feel right now?
Good.
Good. And excited? I think it's finished now.
No.
Are you opening now? No. Cover her with a tissue, okay? Wow! Wow! She's color yellow! Wow, beautiful.
It's dry.
So, ayan po yung kanyang itsura. Meron pa siyang konting dilibis na
A water.
Yeah. Okay, so, ayan po siya. And, meron pa po tayong last step na gagawin. So, using that sponge na isa-soak mo sa water or cold water. And then, wipe natin yung face ni Barbie para makita yung kanyang makeup and lipstick at the same time.
Now we're gonna wipe her head and her face.
Okay, let's see. Yeah. Her face got a star on her cheek, and that will be her lipstick. Yeah. So there you go.
I'm ready to dress up my Barbie now. I'm past it.
Okay. What'd you do? Yay! Well done. Next. Ano din natin? First, second shoot. Good job! She has her shoes now. Can you show it to me? Wow! Beautiful sandals. What is the next one?
Her skirt.
Pull it, pull it. Sige pa. Pull it. Yeah, well done. Wow. Pakita mo muna. Tingnan muna natin siya. Nakataas yung hands niya. Well done, JD. Oh, beautiful Barbie.
The next one is gonna put her hair.
Wow. Do you know how to put it?
No.
Na-murder na si Barbie. How is it? All good? What happened to her hair? You messed her hair. She has a messy hair. All good?
No. This one is my Barbie now. I'm finished.
Wow! Tingnan nga natin si Barbie.
No.
Wow! So, ayan po. Nakasuot na yung kanyang wig and yung kanyang parang tattoo sa face. Plus her lipstick. Yeah. So, there you go. Naka-skirt and her sandals. Beautiful Barbie like baby Jade.
For watching in my video. Hope you enjoy my subscribe in my channel. Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye, Barbie! Wow! Bye-bye din si Barbie. Bye, Barbie and JD.